Hi, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher, and today I'm going to show you how I make my vegan cashew cheesecake. It is so delicious. It tastes like the real thing. You're going to love this recipe, and it's so simple. All you need is cashews, coconut oil, maple syrup, lemon juice, and a little bit of vanilla. I have actually soaked my cashews in water overnight, and I've rinsed and drained them. I'm going to add them to the blender. Here we go. They're going to make a creamy, dreamy vegan cheesecake. Next is a little bit of coconut oil, then the maple syrup. Then you want to put in the fresh squeezed lemon juice. And last but certainly not least, some vanilla extract. Make sure your lid is nice and sealed tightly, and here we go. All right, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna press it down a little bit and then run it again. This comes out so creamy. If it's seeming like it's coming out way too thick, you can always add a little bit of water. I don't do that because I like this to really feel like cheesecake. This one is, wow. Look how creamy and yummy that is. Look at that. That's the texture you want. Okay, so my amazing cashew cheesecake filling is made, and I'm just gonna pour it into the pan where I have the crust already prepared. We're just gonna smooth it out. So I have all of the cheesecake filling from my blender, and I'm just gonna smooth it out here.
Smooth the cheesecake mixture on the crust, then put it in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Once the cheesecake has completely frozen, remove it from the freezer, unlock the springform pan, remove the cheesecake from the pan, and add a delicious fruit topping. I like to use my raspberry chia jam. You can find that recipe here on my YouTube channel. Remember to like, save, share, and never forget you are deeply loved by God.